Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Simpler Stocks free video for November 10th, 2016, day after the election. Big old upset in there, and you got a big old upset of the apple cart when it comes to correlations in here. Really fascinating what happened today. So the ES is, after being down 107 last night, or up 19. NASDAQ down 5 at one time, down 230 and I closed my eyes when it got under that. Russell up 31, bonds down almost 5 points. One time they were up 2 points. Industrials up 213, SPX up 18. This is with 2 hours to go. But I'm going to be on the Simpler Stocks gold side today, and the idea in there is that I need to be on there the last hour, and then there are a lot of earnings, so I'll probably stay on after the close. If you're wondering about the gold side in there, the gold side is a little different than the normal side. This is the current membership in here. $79. It's $129 to upgrade to gold. In here, you get to trade the open on both, market open recording. We do email alerts, which are going to become more prevalent once we get it set up where I can send them to text alerts. We have the nightly video. Like I said, a lot more in-depth than what you're hearing now. Discussion forum, but this is what you get with the gold. Tuesday through Thursday, I'm on an extra hour, 3 to 4 o'clock. We've been making a lot of money that last hour. We made a lot of money yesterday in Western Union. That one was a good one. Trade the close recording, like I said, is recorded on the site. Then this is a big deal. The third Friday of every month, I'm doing a 3-hour live trading class. That's thrown in to your subscription. If you're not a subscriber, it's going to be $99 to $199 just for that. So that just gets thrown in with your subscription. Last month, we had a really good trade in Twitter. It was really exciting. So just to tell you what you get in there. But to get back to it in here, with the market, like I said, I wanted to put this out early. You have the bonds, like I said, down 5. Industrials up 229. They've had a 1,000-point move today. It's just amazing what's been going on in there. SPX up 20, transport's up 53, gold up $1.50 after being up $40. You have crude oil up a bit, dollar with a huge rally after getting pummeled earlier today. Unbelievable in there. You have the advanced decline barely ahead, up about 270 today. VIX getting pounded. Last night this VX was up $8 at one time. Unbelievable in here. The UVXY doing whole much of nothing in here. You have the Nikkei down. It was down 1,000 last night. You have the DE Dow, the German DAX up 1%. Chinese market not doing much in here. Like you see, TLT getting absolutely blasted. So the whole idea in here is, where do we go from here? Number one, before everybody gets all crazy about the market, and I know the TFs are up, we've been talking about this, that if we change policies from monetary to fiscal, what's it going to do? It's going to kill the bonds that have been held up by the Fed, but it's going to help the small stocks that are more growth-oriented, not yield-oriented. That's why you see the Russell up today. Doesn't hurt also that a big component of the Russell is the drug stocks. And the drug stocks are having an amazing day because they've been getting pounded ever since Secretary Clinton mentioned them in July of 2015. So nice move in here. And, a lot of divergences going in here. It's fascinating. This is what I think is going to happen to the market in the future. Not now. This time of year, when you get everybody excited about the end of the year and the breath of fresh air that the election's over, look at the overbought on the ESs. But this is the time of year when it goes up. On the other hand, go and check out the bonds. I've been warning about the bonds for a long time in here. Check that out. The idea in here is this kind of divergence can go on at the holiday period. I've seen that a lot of times when that happens. That's all fine and good. But what you have to realize, this is going to rear its ugly head probably in January again. This is a big deal to have it diverge this much. The reason being that with the 1982 rally in the stock market started with a rally in the bond market. This time, the bonds have fallen literally 20 points and the market's near an all-time high. That's a big old danger zone. Not this second, but later in the year or the beginning of next year, it could become a big deal in here. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Like I said, we still have the $7 30-day trial for now. And, if you want to take us up on that, that's great. Thousands have. And I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Have a great night.